welcome to our channel. As you can see, we are at NTC campus to film our group project, a vlog about doing an internet cable. I would like to introduce to you the members of our group, Magistrado, Moran, Capua, Estanislao, Baldoza, and me, Garlan. I hope you would learn more about our video and enjoy watching.
The materials we need are Ethernet cable, network cable tester, crimping tool, wire stripper, and RJ45 or Cat6 pass-through connector. Step 1. Strip the cable. The first thing we need is the cable stripper and the Ethernet cable. Push the cable into the razor slot of the strip tool and turn it around the cable to make an even cut around the sheet. Careful not to nick the wires inside. Unwrap the blue foil shielding and plastic to uncover the twisted wire pairs. Push the copper grounding wire to the side and ignore the white string. In step 2, we need to organize the wires. In this step, you'll be taking the 8 colored wires inside the Ethernet cable and putting them into the correct ordering of colors. There should be 4 pairs of wires: green, brown, orange, and blue. Each pair has a solid colored wire and a striped colored wire. Untwist these pairs and separate them into 8 wires. With your straightened out wires, put them into the correct order. Make sure that the wires are all flat and in line with each other. The ordering of these wires is striped orange, solid orange, striped green, solid blue, striped blue, solid green, striped brown, and solid brown. After straightening it, trim the wires evenly about ½ inch in length using scissors or the blade of your crimping tool. You want to make sure you have enough room for the wires to reach the end of the RJ45 connector. In step 3, slide wires into RJ45 connector. Carefully slide your 8 wires into the connector. Make sure that the clip is facing away from you. In step 4, crimping it. Push the RJ45 connector into the slot of your crimping tool for RJ45 connectors. The slot should be labeled something like 8P for the 8-pin RJ45 connector that you are using. Step 5. Test it. Slide the 2 pieces of the tester apart and plug each of the cable ends into either piece. Turn the switch to on or slow. If it's working, all 8 numbers should be flashing green. In making a crossover cable, it is the same procedure as the straight cable, but when the arrangement of wires of the crossover cable is different. The side A is striped orange, orange, striped green, blue, striped blue, green, striped brown, and brown. And the side B is striped green, green, striped orange, blue, striped blue, orange, striped brown, and brown. And the rest of the steps are the same. And after making the crossover cable, you can test it on the cable tester. If it is working, and you're done.